We want to take a look at the wiring diagram of the Honda CX500. As you know, there are different uh, model of this type based on the country of order, but the main principles are the same. And for following the wiring diagram, it seems the first look seems a little complicated, but if we know how to follow, and if we check some things like milestones and mark, we can understand it better. For example, here by this dashed lines, the wiring lengths or wiring harness are indicated. For example, whatever is inside this dashed line is in reality, in actual world, is inside the wiring harness, and this side is the end of wiring harness at the rear side of the motorcycle and nearby the trail. And as you can see, at the end we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wire getting out of the wiring diagram, wiring harness. So at the end of the wiring harness we have 5 wire, and the color of wire, each wire is indicated here by the abbreviation. For example, G-Y is here in the downside of the diagram. We can see a guide. For example, G means green, R red, and Y is yellow. So green dash yellow means green yellow wire. So at the end of the wire harness we have 5 wires, which is connecting to the tail lights. For the indicator, right and left, rear brake light, and rear lights at the dark times. So here, if we follow the wiring harness, here in the rear side of the motorcycle, here at the end part, we have these 5 wires: orange, green, and yellow. Green, which is always the minus or a body, and light blue, and I think blue, brown.